И я передаю слово Айвару van Dijk, который будет выступать вместо спичера, представляя компанию RealNetworks. Айвар, пожалуйста.
So good afternoon to everybody. The shorter we get to lunch, the shorter the presentations also get. My name is Ivar van Dijk, filling in for Andreas Bechler, who could not make it. And speaking first of all a little bit about our company, because I think it's not very well known in Russia yet. Also in digital entertainment, and basically we try to deliver digital entertainment to the consumer, not only to mobile, but basically on any device he wants to use entertainment, be it mobile, be it PC, be it any mobile device which cannot connect, or a set-top box and so on. So a bit broader, but mobile is also key. We have several units. First of all, a games unit doing casual games, then a music to direct to consumer section, which is mainly operating in the US. And what I want to talk to you about today is mobile technology in the technology products and solutions division. What we do there is music on demand in several business models. I'll come back to the business models. Ringback tones, messaging, so all kinds of messaging solutions, and video services, video on demand, streaming, download, everything. A couple of numbers also. Ringback tone, we have close to 34 million subscribers worldwide. I will show you later in which countries. So in many communication service providers over the whole world, and adoption rate ranking from 1% in just started countries to 40%, on average 8%. So I think this is also what you're experiencing in Russia. On music, 9 million tracks per quarter, so this is also a nice volume. Piracy is everywhere, not only in Russia but in the whole world, but I think it's important to focus on the consumers that want to be legal, that want to pay for their music, and make it as easy as possible for them to do so. So where are we and what are we doing? We work with all main US operators, Verizon, T-Mobile, AT&T. The Vodafone music service in Europe was already mentioned a couple of times before. So we power the music service in 9 countries for Vodafone. We also do the ACE model, MP3s, everything. We also do SFR since a couple of days, so just launched, and we do various other streaming, video streaming services and ringback tones for other operators. And we also have a huge presence in Asia. What's missing is Russia. So actually, I'm not here to teach. I'm more to learn about Russia here. So I don't want to tell you too much how you should do things. I want to pick out one example of what we are doing with operators, and what I think is a trend currently. It's about convergence and bundling. So basically the historical situation has been operators have built up their value-added services portfolio. Maybe they started with ringtones, polyphonic and so on, and built this out. Then they added music, they added ringback tones, finally they added video, mostly by other operators and content providers. So at the back end, they have all different partners and they have all different stores and so on. And what we see as a big trend and as a positive trend is that operators want to offer one shop, one location to find everything. This is one thing, and also to provide the right connection between the different kind of contents. So this is what we see operators doing, also handset manufacturers are doing. We are mainly working with operators, and basically the opportunity, where we see the opportunity is to get rid of all the different platforms and the different complexity, get rid of the complexity managing the service, and also there's an upside in the revenue side as search and discovery of content gets easier, and you can sell more basically with the same effort. So as I said before, make it easier for the customer to buy. Actually, he doesn't have to search a lot. It will be presented to him. So this is an example of a shop we do with all different contents types collected in one shop. So we have to convert search and so on. It's easy. I think this is nothing